Hey there, let's talk about money. Not in a boring, complicated way, but in a way that actually makes sense for your life. You've probably heard that rich people have secrets, right? Well, the truth is way simpler than that. Rich people aren't smarter than you. They're not luckier. They just avoid certain habits that keep most people broke. And the wild part? These habits feel totally normal. They feel like the right thing to do, but they're not. They're traps. So today we're breaking down 12 broke habits that rich people never ever fall for. And here's the thing. Once you know about them, you're going to see them everywhere. In your friends, in your family, maybe even in yourself. So, let's get started. First habit. Thinking small purchases don't matter. You know that feeling when you pick up a $5 coffee? It's just $5, right? It's nothing. That's what everyone thinks. But here's what rich people understand that you might not. Those $5 purchases add up. A lot. Think about it. $5 a day on coffee is $35 a week. That's $140 a month. That's $1,680 a year. And that's just coffee. Add in a bagel, a snack, a parking meter, and suddenly you're spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on things you don't even remember buying. Rich people do the math. They know that those small purchases are actually huge over time. So they're ruthless about cutting them out. They make their coffee at home. They pack their lunch. And every single dollar they don't spend on those small things gets invested somewhere that actually grows. That's the difference between staying broke and getting rich. Second habit. Lifestyle creep. This one is sneaky. This is where you get a raise or a bonus, and suddenly your lifestyle just expands to match it. You get an extra $200 a month. So you upgrade your apartment. You upgrade your car. You start eating out more. You join that fancy gym. And now you're still broke, just with nicer things around you. Rich people understand this trap. They know that a raise doesn't mean you should spend more. It means you should save more. When they get more money, they keep their lifestyle the same. They bank the difference. They invest it. This is how wealth actually builds. You don't get rich by making more money. You get rich by spending less than you make and putting the difference to work. That's the rule. Third habit. Carrying high-interest debt. Credit cards are brilliant, right? You swipe, you get stuff now, you pay later. Except you're not really paying the same amount later. You're paying way more. Credit card interest rates are usually between 18 and 24%. That's insane. Rich people understand that this is a trap. They don't carry balances on credit cards. They might use them for the rewards, sure, but they pay off the full balance every single month. No exceptions. Because they know that paying 18% interest on anything is a losing game. It's literally money burning in your pocket while you sleep. So they just don't do it. And if they absolutely have to borrow money, they borrow at the lowest rate possible. They might take out a loan at 4 or 5% instead. But they still try to pay it back as fast as they can because they understand the math. Every percent of interest is money that's not yours anymore. Fourth habit. No emergency fund. You know what happens when you don't have an emergency fund. An emergency happens and suddenly you're going into debt. Your car breaks down. Your water heater floods your basement. You get sick and you can't work for a week. And now you're pulling out that credit card at 18% interest or taking out a loan. Rich people always have an emergency fund. Usually it's 3 to 6 months of living expenses just sitting in a savings account. It's boring money. It doesn't grow, but it's there. And when something unexpected happens, they're not panicking. They're not going into debt. They're just paying for it. And then they rebuild that fund. This is one of the biggest separators between rich and poor. Poor people don't have cushions. They're living on the edge. One bad thing and they're crushed. Rich people have a cushion, so they sleep at night. Fifth habit. Not understanding the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. And he was right. This is how you actually get rich. You invest money. That money grows. And then the growth grows. And then the growth of the growth grows. Over time, this becomes absolutely massive. But here's the thing. This only works if you start early and you stay invested. If you wait until you're 40 to start investing, you've already lost decades of growth. Rich people know this, so they start young. They invest consistently. They leave it alone. And 30 years later, they have way more money than they could ever have earned from their salary. Poor people don't understand this. They think you need a huge amount of money to start investing. You don't. You just need to start. Even $100 a month compounds into something huge over time. It's not about how much you have. It's about time and consistency. 6th habit, not having a financial plan. A lot of people just earn money and spend money and hope things work out. That's not a plan. That's just existing. Rich people have actual plans. They know their net worth. They know their income. They know their expenses. They have savings goals. They have investment goals. They know what they're working towards, and they measure their progress. This isn't boring. This is what separates people who drift through life from people who actually build something. You need a plan. It doesn't have to be complicated, but you need to know where your money is going. You need to know what you're saving for. You need to check in on it regularly. That's the difference. 7th habit, keeping up with the Joneses. This is everywhere. Your neighbor buys a new car, so you want one. Your friend gets designer clothes, so you want them too. Someone takes a fancy vacation, so you book one, and you're broke. You're broke because you're spending money trying to look like people you think have more than you. But here's the secret. They probably don't have more than you. They're just broke in nicer clothes. Rich people don't care what other people have. They don't compete with their neighbors. They focus on building their own wealth. They make decisions based on their goals, not on what they see on social media or on someone else's Instagram. So you need to stop caring what other people think. You need to stop trying to look rich. You need to actually become rich. And that starts by ignoring what everyone else is doing. 8th habit, not investing in yourself. This sounds counterintuitive when you're trying to save money, right? But hear me out. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. Taking a course to learn a new skill, reading books, going to conferences, getting a degree. These things increase your earning potential. And increased earning potential is how you actually make more money. Rich people understand there's a $1,000 course that helps them make an extra $10,000 a year is a no-brainer. It paid for itself in a month. Poor people look at that $1,000 course and think they can't afford it. But they can't afford not to do it. So you need to invest in yourself. Buy the course, read the books, learn the skills. Your future self will thank you. 9th habit, letting emotions control your money decisions. The stock market goes down and you panic and sell everything. You get a bonus and you spend it all on something you don't need. You feel sad, so you go shopping. Emotions are the enemy of wealth. Rich people make decisions based on data and plans, not on how they're feeling. The market drops 20% and they're not selling. They're buying because everything is on sale. They get a bonus and they already know where it's going because they have a plan. They don't let their feelings run their life. So you need to detach emotion from money. Make a plan. Stick to it, even when you feel like doing something else. Especially when you feel like doing something else. That's when you know the plan is working. 10th habit, not understanding taxes. A lot of people think taxes are just something that happens to them. Money comes out of their paycheck and they don't really know where it went. Rich people understand taxes. They know how much they're paying. They know what deductions they can take. They know the difference between short-term and long-term capital gains. They work with accountants to minimize their tax burden legally. They understand that every dollar they keep is a dollar they can invest. So you need to learn about taxes. It's not exciting, but it matters. Your tax rate might be costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. So educate yourself. Talk to an accountant. Figure out how to keep more of what you earn. 11th habit, not diversifying their income. A lot of people have one job, one income stream, and if something happens to that job, they're in trouble. Rich people have multiple income streams. They might have their salary, but they also have investments that pay dividends. They might have a side business. They might have rental income. They might have royalties. They don't put all their eggs in one basket, because they understand that income diversity is safety, and safety is freedom. If one income stream dries up, they have others. So even if it's just a side hustle, start creating other income streams. It doesn't have to be huge, but having more than one source of income changes everything. 12th and final habit, not tracking their spending. You can't improve what you don't measure. A lot of people have no idea where their money is going. They earn it, they spend it, and then they wonder why they're broke. Rich people track everything. They know their spending down to the dollar. They categorize it, they analyze it, and they use that data to make decisions. You don't have to be obsessive about this, but you need to know where your money is going. Track it for a month. Once you see where it's actually going, you can make better decisions. You can cut the fat. You can invest the difference. So start tracking today. Here's the thing about all of these habits. They're not about being cheap. They're not about being miserable. They're about being intentional. Rich people are intentional with their money. They understand that money is a tool, and like any tool, you need to know how to use it. Every dollar you spend is a vote for the kind of life you want to live. Every dollar you invest is a claim on your future. So start being intentional. Look at these 12 habits. See which ones you're doing, and stop. Because the path to your money glow up starts with eliminating the habits that are keeping you broke.